WD40 Bike All Conditions Chain Lube is an aerosol, which makes application easy. It has strong adhesive properties, which make it perfect for long-lasting lubrication and protection of your bike chain. First, place the bike on a stand so that the rear wheel is free to turn. To apply, place the drip applicator just above the chain over the cassette and apply directly onto the chain while turning the crank slowly in a counterclockwise direction. This will ensure deep lubrication. Its precise spray application minimizes any wasted product, making it easier to apply just where you want it. Make sure to wipe off any excess lube when finished. If you have disc brakes, make sure not to overspray onto your rotor or brake caliper. The oil penetrates directly into the links of the chain. Its unique blend with added PTFE results in longer-lasting lubrication and reduced wear and tear. It's resistant to water and dust, providing excellent protection against corrosion, ensuring the chain runs smoother for longer. WD40 Bike All Conditions Chain Lube is ideal for year-round conditions and will help minimize friction and wear on chain links, derailleurs, and jockey wheels, ensuring optimum drivetrain performance.